Welcome to the DigitalOcean Spaces Cloud Storage Review Usage Experience. Links to the product are provided in the description below. DigitalOcean Spaces is a scalable, secure object storage service designed for developers, businesses, and teams that need simple, fast, and reliable cloud storage solutions. It is especially suited for users who are already within the DigitalOcean ecosystem, but can also be used independently for various storage needs. One of the standout features of DigitalOcean Spaces is its simplicity. It offers an intuitive interface and a straightforward setup, making it easy for developers to integrate and use. Spaces is fully compatible with the S3 API, meaning you can leverage existing tools, applications, and workflows that support S3. Whether you're hosting static websites, storing images or backups, or managing large data files, Spaces offers a highly flexible and secure solution for any use case. DigitalOcean Spaces also provides robust security features, including encryption at rest and in transit, ensuring that your data is always protected. It integrates seamlessly with DigitalOcean's other services, like Droplets and Kubernetes, providing a cohesive infrastructure for scaling your applications with ease. The platform also supports fine-grained access control policies, so you can manage permissions and secure your storage resources effectively. Pricing is another major benefit of using DigitalOcean Spaces. It follows a straightforward, transparent pay-as-you-go model with no hidden fees, which makes it a cost-effective solution for small businesses or individual developers who want predictable costs. It also comes with 250 gigabytes of storage and 1 terabyte of outbound data transfer per month, with additional resources available at competitive rates. In summary, DigitalOcean Spaces is a great choice for developers and businesses looking for easy-to-use, secure, and affordable cloud storage. Its integration with DigitalOcean's cloud infrastructure, ease of use, and transparent pricing model make it a solid option for various storage needs. Check out the links in the description to get started today.